Good morning and welcome to our morning news bulletin. We have some important updates for you, especially for households across India. The prices of LPG cylinder have seen a significant hike of Rs 50, making cooking more expensive for many families. Let's take a closer look. From today, LPG cylinder prices have increased by Rs 50, making cooking more expensive for households across India. The new prices are Rs 853 in Delhi, Rs 852.50 in Mumbai, Rs 868.50 in Kolkata and Chennai, and Rs 924 in Raipur. Ujjwala Yojana beneficiaries will now pay Rs 550 instead of Rs 500. The hike comes as oil marketing companies face losses of 41,000 crore due to selling below cost. To offset this, prices have been raised. Additionally, the centre has increased excise duty on petrol and diesel by Rs 2 per litre, though consumer prices will remain unchanged as oil companies will absorb the cost. Opposition leaders have strongly criticized the move. Rahul Gandhi accused the Modi government of burdening citizens instead of responding to global tariff challenges. Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge, an AAP leader, also slammed the hike, calling it a blow to the poor. Meanwhile, the Indian stock market witnessed a sharp crash due to global tariff tensions. Investors lost around Rs 14 lakh crore in the day, with Sensex dropping 2,226 points and Nifty falling 742 points. Global marketing, including the US and Asia, also saw significant declines. Congress is holding a key strategy meeting in Gujarat to discuss organizational reforms and current economic issues. That's all for now. For more updates, stay tuned and keep watching News 19. Hello and welcome to News 19. This is Anya. Breaking news from Chhattisgarh's Durg city. A 6-year-old girl was sexually assaulted and murdered by her 24-year-old uncle. Let's dive into the details. A 6-year-old was sexually assaulted and murdered allegedly by her uncle, who placed her body in a car in Chhattisgarh's Durg city, police said on Monday. The 24-year-old accused was one of the 3 suspects the police had earlier detained for questioning in connection with the incident in the Mohan Nagar police station area on Sunday. Durg Additional Superintendent of Police Sukhanandan Rathore told reporters. He said the 2 other suspects were allowed to leave after their involvement in the crime. Rathore said the girl has gone to her grandmother's house in the neighborhood for a function on the 9th day of the Navratri festival on Sunday morning. Her grandmother and another relative had gone to a temple and the accused was alone in the house. The accused allegedly sexually assaulted the child, killed her and later placed her body inside a neighbor's car, he said. The official said the car was regularly parked there and the accused knew that one of its doors remained unlocked. When the child did not return home till the evening, her family members launched a search and a missing persons complaint was lodged subsequently, he said. The police found the body inside the car in the neighborhood at night, Rathore said. The official said that the girl's body bore injury marks and medical report confirmed sexually assault. He said that the police had initially detained 3 suspects including the car owner and the girl's uncle for questioning. Rathore said that the uncle's involvement surfaced during the probe and he was arrested. That's all for now. For more updates, stay tuned and keep watching News 19. Hello and welcome to News 19. This is Anna. US President Donald Trump has warned of imposing an additional 50% tariff on Chinese imports starting from April 9. Let's have a look at the report. US President Donald Trump on Sunday warned of imposing an additional 50% tariff on Chinese imports from April 9 if Beijing does not roll back its retaliatory tariff plans. His remarks posted on social media platform. In a strongly worded post, Trump wrote yesterday, China issued retaliatory tariff on 34% on the top of their already record-setting tariffs, non-monetary tariffs, illegal subsidization of companies, and massive long-term currency manipulation. Despite my warning that any country retaliates against the US by issuing additional tariffs above and beyond their already existing long-term tariff abuse of our nation will be immediately met with new and substantially higher tariffs over and above those initial set. He added, therefore, if China does not withdraw its 34% increase above their already long-term trading abuses by tomorrow, April 8, 2025, the United States will impose additional tariffs on China of 50%. Effective April 9th, additionally, all talks with the China concerning their request meetings with us will be terminated. Negotiations with other countries which have also requested meetings will begin taking place immediately. Thank you for your attention to this matter. The warning follows Beijing's prior announcement that it would impose a 34% reciprocal tariff on the imports from the US beginning April 10. This came in the response to Trump's earlier move to slap a 34% tariff on Chinese goods, a decision widely seen as exacerbating the ongoing trade dispute. That's all for now. For more updates, stay tuned and keep watching News 19.